so we did an activity called Maki Making, and so we were making sushi rolls, but with a fusion twist. So everybody took something, maybe their favorite dish, something from their hometown or home country or their family favorite recipe or something like that, and made a sushi roll out of it.
Okay, so I'm from Spain, so I decided to do something typical from Spain, which is paella. I want paella. So this is some sushi paella containing chorizo, shrimp, and some vegetables, of course. And I think it ended up pretty big, but it's pretty good. I like it.
I made my sushi with maple bacon, maple sausage, and some omelette. And I've got some mango and pomegranate.
A crab and a cucumber and avocado roll.
Avocado, cucumber, lobster.
Learning a lot of things about planning, what flavors go good together. And we made a shopping list, went shopping. Came back here, did a lot of prep, and now they're just learning the techniques of rolling. And in a minute, we're going to taste it all. It looks delicious. Can't wait.
What's up?
You kind of made a masterpiece. It's a little bit like.
Like, no, I want it.
Which one is the one without wasabi? Because I'm sorry.
Yeah, I don't want your wasabi either.
Do not take that one then.
Like,
Okay, this one's yours.
Crunchy.
What's in it?
The carrot.